In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project management system in Notion. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along and have a working system by the end. Start by opening Notion and going to your main home area. This is usually the first screen you see when you log in, with your workspaces and pages in the sidebar. From here, look for the Marketplace option. This is where Notion offers pre-built templates and tools you can plug directly into your workspace. Click on Marketplace to open it in a new view. Once the Marketplace loads, go to the search bar and type in Highlight. This will bring up a set of templates, including the one we want. In the results, find the template called Project Management, Tasks and Projects Planning, and click on it to open its details page. On the template page, you'll see an overview of what it includes and how it works. To bring it into your own workspace, click on the Add button. Notion will now ask where you want this template to live. Choose the option to create a new team space. This keeps your project management system organized and separate from your other pages, which is especially helpful if you're collaborating with others. After selecting a new team space, confirm by clicking the team space name that's highlighted. Notion will then add the template and start setting everything up for you. This may take a moment. Once it's added, go back to your sidebar and look under the Recent section. You should see the Project Management, Tasks and Projects Planning page listed there. Click on it to open the full template inside your new team space. You're now inside the main Project Management Hub. Here, you'll see databases and views for projects and tasks. To start customizing, click on the project name field in the projects list. This lets you rename the sample project to something relevant to your work. You may need to click a few times, depending on whether you're opening the page or editing the title, but the goal is to get that project name updated. From here, you can explore the highlighted areas of the template, filters, views, and properties. Click on the highlighted controls to switch between different views, such as board or table, and to see how tasks are grouped and sorted. Use these built-in options to tailor the system to your workflow, adjusting only what you need while keeping the core structure intact.